Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Izocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, Musa invited Usne to help him on lobola negotiation together with Abo Malume of Samke Kwela, the fifth wife. Then Usne is very happy to support her father to this journey because she thinks her father trusts her after all wrong she did. Guess what? No, it's not just he trusts her. It's because both Musa and her sister did not connect with each other. On other episode, Musa introduced us to his sister Nompumelelo. Both they were together. Like the day Nompumelelo went to Mangwabe and they talks about the time that Mangwabe arrived with at home. On that time, Mangwabe was studying. Even on Makumalo's Lobola negotiation, Nompumelelo was there. On yesterday's episode, Musa revealed that both with his sister did not connect anymore because his sister went to the traditional healer or spiritual advisor sort of, and they badmouthed about him to her. Then Nompumelelo believed on what they told her. They said Nompumelelo should not succeed in life because of one of family member. That means Musa, because Nompumelelo is the only sister that Musa has. Both they raised by Gok flu. What worries Umtombeni is Nompumelelo forget everything that Musa done for her. Hey, life sometimes. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.